How to update Google Voice app on Android. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar at the top, type Google Voice and tap on the app from the results. Before updating, make sure you are signed in with the Google account that you normally use with Google Voice. This ensures the update installs correctly and syncs with your account. If an update is available, you will see the update button. Simply tap on it and the Play Store will download and install the latest version for you. If you only see the open button, it means your app is already up to date. Updating regularly is important because it brings new features, bug fixes, and better security to keep the app running smoothly. Another way is to enable auto updates. Just tap the three dots in the top right corner of the Google Voice app page, then check the box for Enable Auto Updates. This way, you won't have to update it manually in the future. Now you know how to update Google Voice app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.